When pasta started, there's quite a few prevailing theories about how it came to be in the first place. Some say it came from the Chinese when Marco Polo visited them, but some say it came actually a lot earlier when the Arabs took over Sicily island and had a short occupation. But that being said, my belief is that there's many examples in history where people invented the same thing throughout the world at the same time, even without communicating with each other. The telephone is a very good example, actually. Everybody thinks that Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone, which he did, but at the very same time, the same guy, a different guy in Britain invented the telephone at the same time, and they didn't even know about each other. We're doing the pasta semolina, which is the southern version. Press with your fork, move the dough around. There's no specific way of doing it, you just need to keep the mixture moving so that everything can come in contact. It will look very shaggy, especially in the beginning, but once you start using your hands and you start pressing everything together, that's all the water now, then you'll see that it homogenizes very, very nicely into a big lump of dough. The purpose of these grooves is to catch as much of the sauce as possible. But semolina is generally a flour, a pasta that's a bit more chewy, so you don't worry too much about the thickness, just as long as you can get a consistent shape for consistent cooking.